Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to be discussing about a software that is based on ChatGPT which helps create quiz funnel creation. Now, what is quiz funnel creation? It is a type of marketing funnel that segments visitors by interest. People who join the quiz answer a series of questions that segment them into different buckets. Then at the end of the quiz, you deliver personalized product recommendations based on their answer. Now, the second question comes, are these quiz funnels effective? So the answer is quiz funnels can be highly effective way to reach your target audience and grow your brand. So if it is effective, then how should I make an effective quiz funnel? So this all knowledge and guidance is included in this quiz funnel creator named as ChatGPT Quiz Funnel Creator Package PLR. So this is a small quiz funnel income stream. Let's say if you want to create a quiz funnel with the help of free tools, then you can easily get the business from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon CP offers, Quiz Page, any other offers. So basically, ChatGPT Quiz Funnel Creator package includes with 2 guides and video tutorials. In the first guide, unlock the power of quiz funnel. You will learn how to utilize quiz funnels for marketing, the advantage of quiz funnels, different types of quiz funnels, a checklist for building a successful quiz funnel, and common mistakes to avoid while creating quiz funnels. The quick start guide will show you how to create quiz funnels using free tools. It will walk you through the process of creating highly profitable quiz funnels using ChatGPT and other freely available softwares. We will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate relevant content that can be easily turned into a quiz, which can then be used to build your subscriber list, promote your website, or promote affiliate programs. This package also comes with PLR, that is private label rights. This means that buyer can resell, republish, edit, or modify the content as they wish. User can use this guide to create their own product and add to a membership website, bundle it with other products, or even use it as a bonus for their own products. So guys, this is all about the quiz funnel creator. So if you want to get access into it, there's a link down in the description box of this video. Click on it, then you will reach to this page. This is basically the sales page of this product. So it's telling you some more details about the quiz funnel creator. It's basically a ChatGPT based software, and no any technical skill is required for this because it's just a very easy and doable software. It's all basically using the free tools to help you create quiz funnels. This way you can skyrocket your business easily because quiz funnels can give you a real information or a real interest of your customer, and with the help of that you can easily recommend them the products they want. These are some more details. Here is a small intro video about this quiz funnel creator. So this is a small diagram which is explaining everything about what quiz funnel creator is going to help you about. So basically you're going to give awareness about something to the traffic or to the customer or to your leads, and then they will show with the help of quizzes for sure. So they will show their interest. With the help of that, it can help you take a decision, and then you will take an action. I mean, you will recommend them a product as per their interest, and boom, and then you're able to have a sales. This is a highly converting process, I must say. Quiz funnel is really a beneficial one. So in order to purchase, so there is a discount also of $3. That is a special discount. Only you can get it by doing apply coupon. Once you click on it, then you will see here you will get some more discount on $10, and you will have to pay $7. And once you do this transaction, you're able to purchase this software, this funnel quiz creator, and then you can take the benefit out of it. It's that simple as it looks. So all you have to do is just to go through some few steps, and these are what I already have shown you in detail. So guys, without any delay, let us get this product and get the benefit out of it. I hope you will like this video. If yes, then press the thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in some another video with some more product reviews. Till then, bye.